Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is the channel. It's all about home distillation and brewing. So what do we got going on today? Well, today, in front of me here, you see some good looking whiskey. This is our Strawberry Oatmeal Whiskey, and it's ready to put in a bottle. So that's what I want to do today. Well, let me remind you some. Hey, if you get a chance, please hit that subscribe button down there. It really means a lot to me and a lot to the channel. Oh. All right, so I got in these 2 jars. I like to just mix a little bit together so it's just a consistent, in case I would have to put a little bit too much oak in one or not. This makes it everything consistent. Just a little mix. All right, and this is an easy process, especially on a whiskey or a bourbon, because there's not a lot of junk in it. So you got your bottles, right? And all you need is a funnel. Oh, there's one thing I want to do first. If I can find it. What do I do with it? This and this. I wanted to check and see what the, because there's no sugar in this, so I can check the ABV of it. And it is right at 80. It's 40 ABV, 80 proof. All right, and that's my go-to proof or ABV, whatever you want to call it. That is what I like. I like 40 ABV. That's just very enjoyable to me. But it's strictly up to you. It's all you, what you want to do. All right, so stainless steel funnel here. I do have 2 coffee filters, and like I said, it's just a matter of and you know, I've had people say, well, you need to put a piece of wire on there to help it drain, and I know I do, and it does help, but by the time I get ready to do this, I always forget about doing it. Nice looking color. I like to do 2 at a time because this speeds it up. Then after we get this all done, you know what we get to do then? We get to taste it. And yes, it will be so much better. I like to believe, all right, so it's been 4 weeks on these chips, but I would like to believe it continues to age in the bottle. So what I will do with this is I'll put it up on the shelf and try to forget it. I'll put labels on it. Laura's making me labels as we speak. And put it up on the shelf and forget about it. That's the hardest part, is to forget about it. Nice hot day today. I'll be glad when fall gets here. That just smells so good. That it does. I ain't quite sure how many bottles I'm gonna get. I was thinking 5. I didn't even actually measure it. Yeah, them coffee filters, they'll filter it out pretty good. I can't complain about that. Plus, my big mixing jars, I'm going to be needing them here sometime soon for something else, right? Okay. All right, let me get these all straightened out, then I'll be back. Okay, so we got that tough job out of the way. It's not tough. It's kind of satisfying in a way. I mean, like I said, it is a beautiful color. The nose on it, you can really smell the oatmeal. Oatmeal has a distinct taste, or distinct nose to it. Well, it has a distinct taste too. So now, let's give it a try. All right. Now, I will say, just from past experience, you give that a year in a bottle, it just, I don't know what happens to it, but it just turns fantastic. Yeah, look at that. That is pretty. Woo! It has that distinct oatmeal taste. Got a nice little burn to it. And as I've said in the past, you can't say, well, there's strawberry in that, but it's something about oatmeal. When you distill oatmeal, the berry really does seem to help balance everything out. Oh, that is one enjoyable drink. Oh, I don't know how to describe it. It's got a good whiskey taste. It's not bourbon. Yeah, bourbon's got that, I would say, kind of like a sweet taste to it. It don't have that. It's kind of dry. Very enjoyable. Woo! Like I said before, you give that a year in a bottle, it's going to be crazy good. But I could drink it right now. It wouldn't hurt my feelings one bit. Okay. All right. Well, I just wanted to show you the bottling of this. This is the most satisfying. Well, it's all satisfying. This is one great ass hobby, and you end up with something good to enjoy, and it's something nice to give away too. I do give away. I got certain friends I like to give a bottle to that really appreciate it. I love giving it to them, and it's well worth it. All right, so I guess the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody. Oh, yes. Very good.